If you're a fan of productivity and presentation tools, you'll be excited to hear about the latest updates to Gamma AI in 2025. This AI powered platform continues to evolve, making it faster, smarter, and even more useful for students, teachers, freelancers, business owners, and content creators. In this video, we'll explore the key updates that make Gamma AI in 2025 a game changer for creating professional presentations and content. One of the biggest updates is improved AI-powered design suggestions. Gamma AI now provides even smarter recommendations for layouts, fonts, colors, and visuals based on your content. This means your presentations are more polished and visually appealing than ever, and you spend less time tweaking slides manually. Whether you're creating a school project, a client pitch, or a business presentation, the AI ensures your content looks professional with minimal effort. Another exciting update is enhanced workflow automation. Gamma AI 2025 makes it easier to organize your content logically, highlight key points, and structure slides for maximum impact. The AI can now automatically generate multiple presentation versions based on your content, giving you options to choose the best fit for your audience. This update significantly reduces the time and stress of preparing presentations, especially for last-minute projects. Gamma AI has also introduced better collaboration features. Users can now work together more efficiently, whether you're part of a team in a business setting or collaborating on a class project. Real-time editing, sharing, and commenting make it easier to produce high-quality presentations without the usual back and forth or version confusion. Another notable update is more template options and customization features. Gamma AI 2025 offers a wider variety of templates tailored for education, business, content creation, and social media. At the same time, you can customize colors, fonts, and layouts to match your brand or personal style, making every presentation unique. Finally, faster performance and improved user interface make Gamma AI even more intuitive. Navigation is smoother, AI suggestions load quicker, and the platform feels more responsive, helping you focus on content creation rather than struggling with the software. With these updates, Gamma AI 2025 continues to be an essential tool for anyone who wants to save time, create professional presentations, and enhance productivity. Imagine finishing a polished, impactful presentation in minutes rather than hours. It's now easier than ever. So, if you want to stay up to date with the latest features, improve your productivity, and create amazing presentations effortlessly, check out Gamma AI 2025 today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tech updates, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest content. Experience the power of the newest Gamma AI updates and take your presentations to the next level.